be roaming free and wild. For every fallen wolf in the grasslands, fields and snow, I will raise my voice 1,000 times. Let everybody know about the injustice that mankind does to them. I will raise my voice. Playful running on the plains, crying through the night, caressing cold up side by side, they wait the morning light. One for all and all for one, honoring the bad, possessing the integrity that those who harm them lack. For every fallen wolf in the grasslands, fields and snow, I will raise my voice 1,000 times. Let everybody know about the injustice that mankind does to them. I will raise my voice. Twisted stories with words of hate, spreading seeds of lies. Seems like the world is watching silently as another nation